Our plant Zemz produced electronical equipment for general purpose. It is used in more than 25 countries of the world. The company specializes in produce low-voltage circuit breakers of A37 series. They are designed for current from 16 to 630 ampere. Such circuit breakers are used in control and protection system of industrial equipment in metallurgy, car building, commercial and civil fleet, oil and gas industry, mining, thermal and nuclear power plants, machine building plants. Circuit breakers of A37 series have some advantage in comparison to foreign analogs. High performance, quality of material used, competitive price. A serial production of circuit breakers is organized at the enterprise. Our high-quality staff develops and manufactures products according to individual orders. We also have a metrological base. It allows us to control the quality of each bus produced, creating new opportunities for partners. We grow with them.